carry there is just to make a baby food, a baby of 6 months, making the food. All right, let's continue. Let's start though. All right, the carrot is ready and I'm going to blend. You see how soft it is? Very soft. See, very soft, very soft. You cook it until it becomes so soft like this, so you can blend. So let's dive into the blender. This is my blender, which I'm going to be using to blend this particular milk for baby. All right, just blend it. The best thing about this thing is that you don't use another water to blend. You can still use the water that you use in cooking the carrot to blend it. Okay, don't go about looking for another water. Use this water in the carrot. It will still serve you perfectly well. All right, let's blend. Watch what I'm doing. I'm just pouring in the carrots in my blender so I can have, just keep doing. All right, I'm done adding the carrots. See, I just add a little bit of water. Hope you are seeing it in there. Okay, I drop this somewhere and I cover it. See, pouring it out. Yes, see how beautiful the food is looking. You see how you can feed your child with it. See it, just walk it out with me. Do it. See how beautiful it is looking. Yes, see it here, but I'm not going to be using it. I'm going to be using formula. See this milk, I'm going to be using it. You can also use this, you can also use this, but I choose this. Okay, I choose to this watch me add it. See it here. What I'm going to do, see, I'm just going to add. It's okay. See what I did there. You can use this breast milk as well. You can also use formula as well. And this mineral water, I love to use it for babies. Yes, just use it in case you're in a tight corner, you can't get it. You can also boil water. Get your water boil, then you can also use. All right, see what I'm doing? I'm going to be turning it. Wow, the food is ready to very ready, very ready. You can see there, the food is ready, like very ready. See how adding the milk, the color has a kind of changed. But all right, please, thank you so much. Subscribe. I am Divine. Welcome to my kitchen. Yes. All right, please do try it out with yourself there, your babies. Try it out. See you next time. Bye.